Hi loves, so get ready with me again. Today I'm doing my nails and then I'm gonna just chill by the beach, ride bicycles, probably have ice cream. So I wanted something simple for my face, something lightweight. It looks like I have a full face on, but I don't. I actually tried something new and it feels so light, so fresh, and it's so easy. I literally have like concealer and bronzer. That's it. And some highlighter, but I really love the end result. When I look in the mirror, it looks so natural, like I barely have anything on, and I got fully ready so you can see my outfit as well. Hope you enjoy it, so stay tuned. All right guys, so I'm gonna try something new. I'm heading out to do my nails. Simple day, and I want to ride bicycles by the beach. It's a holiday, so I'm gonna do something simple that looks natural. And yeah, I've already applied primer and then tons of beauty water elixir to give me that glow. I'm gonna take my Huda concealer. Wow, just concealer is like, whew, I'm fresh. So only concealer. I'm gonna do lip tint to keep my lips rosy. This is Givenchy's number 16 lip balm. And now I'm gonna try this on my full face. It's the Chanel Soleil Tan. Like, it's a bronzer with a cream finish. So it's a cream bronzer. I'm gonna try this brush first and see how it works. Because this bronzer for me, it's a bit light to work as a contour. So I'm gonna try it on my full face and see how it is. So wherever I want to bronze, I'm just gonna do that. I want to apply it concentrated here on the cheek, so it gives me a tiny contour, but I want to apply this on my whole face since I don't have foundation on, okay? It's very natural, actually. To come with Laura Mercier, this is like the concealer that I like to touch up the whole day because it has a very, very, very thin texture. It's the only concealer that I find that when you touch up, it doesn't make you cakey or make you heavy. And with the Beauty Blender here, just on the eye area and lighten it up so you look awake. And I use color number 2. I'm gonna get a little bit of powder. It could be translucent or not. I'm just gonna get translucent because I have it in my hand, Laura Mercier. I put it in the sponge and I just dab it here on my eyelid to make sure our eyelids don't like get greasy throughout the day, and a little bit on the nose because I get really greasy on the nose. So wherever you get greasy, just put a little tiny bit of powder, not too much so that your makeup doesn't become heavy. And then now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna let my skin sit for a little bit, and then I'll see how it looks with these products that we applied, and I'll do my brows. So I love this brow pencil from Benefit. It's the My Brow Pencil. I love Benefit's names. And I use number 4, okay? I'm going to start lining from the bottom. If you guys haven't seen how I do my brows, I have a few videos up. Just type in like brow tutorial, or I can link it down below for you guys. So brows are done. Now I like to come back with the beauty water, spray on my whole face, kind of like make you wet, okay? Just gonna help your makeup sit more naturally too on your face. I get a little bit of highlighter from Jaw. I'm gonna place it only on this bone right here. I take some of powder bronzer, this is NARS, and I apply it on my eyelid. Everything natural. Nude liner on the waterline to open up those eyes. We're definitely gonna use mascara. I'm gonna use Laura Mercier's Caviar Volume. I really love this mascara. I've been on it for a while, as you guys know. I don't want to put anything else on my face, like as a blush or anything. I'm gonna keep it simple, but I will do lips, right? Because you always do lips. Let me try this color from Dior. Actually, I want to line a little bit. As always, Laura Mercier Chestnut. You can keep it with probably throughout the day. I'm just gonna bring my lip balm that I just used, which is this one, to keep my lips a bit pink, but I just want to try something. I'm loving this from Dior because it's like matte finish, but it's hydrating. It's I've used this before in stories, Ultra Care Liquid. It's the Rouge Dior Ultra Care Liquid in 446. The color is so beautiful. And there we have a very simple skin, but you look beautiful, done up, but whoever looks at me in person close up will see that my skin is very natural. And again, I come back, I use this like 3-4 times during the makeup, okay? Any like beauty water elixir that you have, and something that will also hold your makeup. So maybe we'll see how I'm gonna see like in a half hour until I change and everything, how my makeup stays. If it's too hot outside too, I'll probably do like a fixing spray. So yeah, this is today's makeup. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna choose my outfit, maybe I'll show it to you guys. I'm gonna keep this sweater on. This is Camila Coelho collection, available at revolve.com. I don't know it's not available right now, but maybe when I put this video up, it will be. It's actually not available yet, but it's coming on the next collection. So yeah, it's super comfortable. It's cropped, so you can wear it with the high-waisted pants. Right now I have pajama pants on my bottoms, but you can like put it with jeans. That's probably what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, it's not available exactly at this moment at revolve.com, but it will be. Should I put these? Ooh. Yeah. I am gonna put those. It's like, I don't know where this is from. I'm really bad with my accessories. Like, I get tons of stuff and I also buy, but like, I don't remember where they're from. It's probably not expensive. It's so cute. There we go. And then I'm gonna choose my pants. I'm just gonna do a simple high-waisted girlfriend denim. I'm gonna do a simple, a ripped, no, cut. I chose a simple girlfriend denim jeans. Step up here. This is not even like super high-waisted, but yeah, look how cute. Like laid back. I'm gonna put it with flats probably in a cute bag. And this sweater, you can like wear it down, up, to the side. make it super loose. Even like cover your whole belly, your tummy. And yeah, I'm gonna put sunnies. Yeah. More today's vibe. Cute back. And I'm done. Look at today. Thanks for getting ready with me. I will see you guys on the next video. If you liked it, let me know in the bottom. Let me know also what you want to see next. I know I haven't been really productive here on YouTube, but I am trying with all the craziness going on with the brand and the moving, but it's gonna be over soon and I will be doing much more videos here for you guys. Love you, and I'll see you soon.